Hi all. Now let us discuss about some topics which is about the Earth and the Earth technology which comes across all those gravitational waves and gravitational movement of the planet and other planets too. And as far as the world is concerned, it consists of 7 continents, and each one faces a different climates and different periods of time. And as far as US and UK, India, Australia, and Europe, New Zealand, all these continents out there, which is surrounded by the sea at all kinds of times. So it is so that it is called as a continental behavior. And first of all, I myself tell that about my country, which is India. And India faces a tropical climate, and where all the winter rainfall and summer seasons come and go on during the year of time. And with the India is concerned, May month is of summer, and November month is of winter, and in between periods are like something which is spring and autumn are occupied with it. And as far as US and UK is concerned, US and UK also faces the same climatic changes, since movement of the sun is very much important for the climate change, and the climate change as well as the weather report diaries. And according, since I am not an US resident or a UK resident or some other countries, I just want to have clarity about them. It just as a rotation behavior. If we face in winter, they would face in fall or autumn. In such a way, it is. In such a way the sun is moving. And when you come across the night periods, artificial satellite which is called as moon, which showers cold cold climate during the night time, which is not which is majorly used to bring down the climate which was during the morning to day and noon times. And actually the atmosphere is very much dry, and it is ready to that is sun is very much solar storms and solar winds are very much dangerous to the human life. And since the atmosphere temperature is increasing due to the burning of CFC, carbon fluorocarbon, that ultraviolet materials and other radioactive substances, climate of the earth is very much increasing, which may cause the plants and other human growth to bring and fall. And it may cause and fall for the human population as well as children. So we must be very much aware about the burning of the fossil fuels and other things. Biofuels are very much important, and biofuels can be used for burning all those materials instead of using the fossil fuels, which is made out of the dead decay organisms, which is very much harmful for the soil as well as the atmosphere, which is on the top of the earth surface. In means it is moreover the distance between the first layer is called as troposphere, and which is very much which is 11 to 12 kilometers from the surface of the earth, from the sea level. And I just saw an example of an banana, banana waste, which is banana items, which is which I opened it for eating. And after 2 to 3 minutes of time itself, it gets dried off. And where I don't find during my earlier periods, where it gets blackening the skin that is dried away in more than it takes more than an 50 more than an hour or two. And it takes around 10 to 10 hours, but it takes here just 15 to it takes from 10 hours for full decay. But now it gets decayed more for a period of 15 to 20 minutes. From this you have to be knowing that we have been in the that is last situations where people have to use the biofuel for them. And this is the reason for rising of the temperature of the earth. And we must safeguard ourselves, and as well as the people's wealth, which is gained by the plant which they sow. And so yeah, that's the thing I have to be mentioned here. And as well as other states, other districts, other countries are concerned. Australia also face the same problem, since it is a northwest, no, that is southwest region, and we myself, according to the Greenwich Mean Time, we are at the east side, and the west side is of America, and US, that is Greenwich Mean Time, which passes through the London, is just considered as the centric point of the earth, and centric point, as well as the Greenwich Mean Time which passes, the times are calculated, and evening, night seasons, and all also change. That is night and evenings are much more different when you consider other countries, where everybody moves fast, and yeah, that is summer season goes on slow region, for that is during summer periods, some that is heat, that is the days are much shorter, than nights are longer during the winter period, and same vice versa during the summer periods as well. And so we must very much be careful about using the bikes, and other transport items, to make the earth, make the earth safe for the future generation as well. If suppose future generation is not available for anybody, that is future generation gets demolished, or that is, as you know the movie name 2000 world, end of the world, end of the war, end of the world. As you see all those movies, you just find them, the earthquake is just blowing the surface of the earth into two, and the heat, lava magma gets occupied with that, so please, we should not that is, we should control the temperature of the earth as well by using the biofuels. As everybody are saying, the biofuel is very much difficult, since we have to be very much cautious about the future coming challenges, and since we have, when you plant the tree, plant needs water, and when it is an useful items, when it is a non-useful items or a useful item, both are available on the regions on the planet, making the equal substance of the both, we can make ourselves satisfied with that. As far as my opinion is concerned about the negative trees or cactus and other poisonous substance trees, I myself support it as a plant that is giving the way for the human life to exist, and this is the major this is the core topic, this is the core meaning of this video, and this is, I just made it to explain about these ones, and I just make a click of it, and show it at last, that is what when I it comes in between two. Yeah, thank you. I just have to make a note, so that the pleasure of the India, and pleasure of the earth gets very much very much balanced in all the ways. Thank you. And I just finished it on a good proverb about the earth. அகழ்வாரை தாங்கள், that is in Tamil Tirukkural. What is அகழ்வாரை தாங்கும் நிலம் போல அவரை இகழ்வார் பொறுத்தல் தலை என்பதே அகழ்வாரை அகழ வச்சு உங்களுக்கு, that is in Tamil, meaning, and earth is concerned, other songs and poems are being sung in every parts of the country, and as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, Neeradum Kadal, which denotes the pride of the motherland of our and of the country mentioned, and this song was read by an Manonmaniam Meenaji Sundarana. This is also a good poet in Tamil, and I myself also have written many topics on it, on different topics like hills, and another one that is on trees, which I posted on Instagram, which got more views, that is 3,000 views. I'm very much happy about it. By telling about more about the importance of the tree, one can save the tree as well as the country as well. So as an individual, as myself and other colleagues like college mates and office mates also do the same during their free times, and they do earn the same as much as possible. According to me, I earn as my body obliges with the work which is given to me. Thank you. Thank you. This is the thing I was saying. Thank you. If you have any comments on it, please don't hesitate to comment on it. And comment box is available below, which is on my YouTube channel. I just posted on the YouTube channel dot matrix. And moreover, I have to tell about the meaning of the dot matrix as well. Dot matrix is just a printer where using the dots you can make yourself read about what kind of writing is that, what kind of writing, what the message is being told to you as well. And dot matrix printer is much more available, like digital LED uses it most. And okay, to get more about it, it is just an vector combination of that is how you type the letter formation. That is, letter formation in digital electronics is very much difficult. So making a good press on it, and the living of the matching it with the letters which you pronounce, and maybe you can you can align them in a correct fashion, so everyone can understand the language which you produce. And the major inspiration I got from here, it is dot product. Actually, dot product, which is a vector formation, a dot b, which provides you the answer of a square plus b square plus 2ab. It's just an vector combination is that. And it also consists of vector cross product as well, and it is a cross b or a dot b. And a dot b is moreover in a square formula. And a cross b is an other formula, which is also between the two axes, x-axis and y-axis, and it also produces a different answer, that is a commutative rule. And non-commutative rules gets blanched on it. A dot b dot pro a dot b or b dot a is moreover the same, that since it is a multiplication symbol, which is a dot is a multiplication symbol, and it is just a commutative product matches with it. And the a cross b is also another dot product, which is according to the vector theorem, a cross b is just moreover equal to a plus b. And according to the vector combination in normal board mass mathematics, a dot b is just a multiplication rule, and vectors are moreover very much opposite of it. Yeah, what does mean vector? Vector is something that is vector algebra. As you see, vector algebra is an axis theorem where graph notation is used. And x-axis is moreover on top of the planet, and y-axis is on right or left side of the planet, and based on which Bode plot and all the everyone's are involved. And as far as the graph is concerned, why the graph has been built is by plotting the graph on right position and right scale, one can see the maximum distance which can be achieved in a similar period of time. Yeah, by using it, this is one of the features of the graph. And the graph is nothing but an scale which you can measure in on all terms. Scale is in sense, for every 10 units you just get an 1 unit of scale. Yeah, that it is moreover an SI system, that is SI system and CGS system. And SI CGS system is universal, and CGS system is a old model. And SI system of intensity is handler, like them. So SI system of water is liter. SI system of solid items is kilograms. So this is just an introduction of first standard physics. First standard physics gets you all those items. And thank you. And by this I finish my video, and come out with other video. It is just an awareness video for making yourself strong and making the planet get decrease in temperatures. Thank you. Signing off. Bye.